Top 5 Best Climbing Harness. Number 5. Guardian Fall Protection 21029. The Guardian Fall Protection 21029 harness is a reliable and versatile solution for individuals engaging in climbing and fall protection activities. With a focus on safety and ease of use, this harness is suitable for a range of applications, from construction to general climbing tasks. Key features: quick adjustment buckles. The harness is equipped with quick adjustment buckles, allowing users to easily and rapidly achieve a secure fit. This feature is particularly valuable in situations where time is a critical factor, enhancing the overall efficiency of donning the harness. Versatile application. Whether it's construction, maintenance, or general climbing, the Guardian Fall Protection 21029 is designed for versatile use. The harness provides the necessary support and safety features for a range of activities at different heights. Webbing material. The use of durable and high-quality webbing material contributes to the overall strength and reliability of the harness. The material is resistant to wear and tear, ensuring that the harness maintains its integrity in demanding environments. Front and back D-rings. The inclusion of both front and back D-rings provides users with flexibility in attachment points. This feature is beneficial for users who need to connect to different anchor points depending on the nature of their climbing or fall protection task. Certified compliance. Guardian Fall Protection ensures that the 21029 harness complies with industry safety standards. This commitment to certification offers users confidence in the harness's ability to meet the necessary safety requirements. Coming in number 4. Frontline Fall Protection Harnesses. Frontline Fall Protection offers a range of harnesses designed to meet the diverse needs of individuals working at heights. Known for their commitment to safety and quality, Frontline harnesses are suitable for various industries, including construction, maintenance, and telecommunications. Key features: industry-specific models. Frontline Fall Protection offers harness models tailored to specific industries and applications. Whether it's construction, roofing, or tower climbing, users can choose a harness that aligns with the demands of their particular work environment. Comfortable design. Frontline harnesses prioritize user comfort through features such as padded straps and ergonomic design. The focus on comfort is crucial for professionals who spend extended periods in harnesses, minimizing fatigue and discomfort. Customization options. Many Frontline harnesses come with adjustable straps and multiple attachment points, allowing users to customize the fit and accommodate additional gear. This adaptability enhances user convenience and ensures that the harness can meet individual preferences. High-quality materials. The harnesses from Frontline Fall Protection are constructed using high-quality materials that withstand the challenges of various work environments. The durability of these materials contributes to the overall reliability and longevity of the harnesses. Safety compliance. Frontline harnesses are designed and tested to meet or exceed industry safety standards. This commitment to compliance ensures that users can trust the safety features and performance of Frontline Fall Protection harnesses. Coming in number 3. SOB Full Body Climbing Harness. The SOB Full Body Climbing Harness is designed for those who require a full body solution for climbing activities. This harness offers a secure and supportive design, making it suitable for a variety of climbing applications, including tree climbing and rescue operations. Key features: full body support. The SOB harness provides comprehensive full body support, incorporating features such as padded shoulder straps, leg straps, and a waist belt. This design ensures that the user is securely and comfortably harnessed during climbing activities. Adjustable fit. With adjustable straps on the shoulders, legs, and waist, users can achieve a customized and snug fit. This adjustability is crucial for comfort and safety, allowing individuals to tailor the harness to their specific body shape and preferences. Durable construction. SOB emphasizes durability in the construction of their climbing harness. The materials used are robust and resistant to wear and tear, ensuring longevity and reliability in challenging environments. Versatility. The design of the SOB Full Body Climbing Harness makes it versatile for various climbing scenarios. Whether climbing trees, rock faces, or engaging in rescue operations, this harness provides the necessary support and safety features. Certified standards. SOB ensures that their harness meets industry standards, offering users confidence in the safety and reliability of the product. Certification adds an additional layer of assurance that the harness is designed to withstand the demands of climbing activities. Coming in number 2. Malta Dynamics Warthog Comfort MAXX Construction. The Malta Dynamics Warthog Comfort MAXX construction harness is engineered to deliver superior comfort without compromising on safety. Ideal for construction-related climbing tasks, this harness is designed to withstand demanding conditions while providing the wearer with a comfortable experience. Key features: Comfort MAXX design. The harness features the Comfort MAXX design, focusing on providing maximum comfort during prolonged use. This design includes padded shoulder straps, waist belt, and leg straps, minimizing discomfort and fatigue associated with extended wear. Heavy-duty construction. Malta Dynamics prioritizes durability with the Warthog Comfort MAXX. The heavy-duty construction ensures that the harness can withstand the rigors of construction environments, offering a reliable and long-lasting safety solution. Quick Connect buckles. Equipped with Quick Connect buckles, the harness facilitates easy and efficient donning and doffing. This feature is particularly valuable in situations where time is of the essence, enhancing overall efficiency and convenience for the user. Multiple attachment points. The harness includes multiple attachment points, allowing users to secure additional gear or accessories. This versatility is beneficial for climbers who need to carry tools or equipment while working at heights, promoting efficiency and productivity. Certified safety. Malta Dynamics adheres to safety standards, ensuring that the Warthog Comfort MAXX construction harness meets or exceeds industry requirements. This commitment to safety provides users with confidence in the reliability and effectiveness of the harness. Coming in number 1. Frontline RK5 PTB50 Combat Complete Roofers Kits. The Frontline RK5 PTB50 Combat Complete Roofers Kit is a top-of-the-line climbing harness designed specifically for roofing applications. It comes equipped with a range of features that prioritize safety and comfort for professionals working at heights. Key features: full body design. The RK5 PTB50 features a full body design, ensuring comprehensive support and protection for the climber. This design is crucial for tasks that involve not only climbing but also working at heights for extended periods. Durable construction. Constructed with durability in mind, this harness is made from high-quality materials that meet or exceed industry standards. The robust construction ensures longevity and reliability in challenging work environments. Adjustable straps. The harness incorporates adjustable straps, allowing for a customized and secure fit. This feature ensures that the harness is comfortable to wear and provides optimal support for the user, enhancing overall safety during use. Roofers Kit inclusions. As a complete roofers kit, the Frontline Combat Harness comes with additional components such as a lanyard, a roof anchor, and a storage bag. This comprehensive kit provides users with all the necessary equipment for roof work, streamlining the process and enhancing convenience. Compliance with standards. The Frontline RK5 PTB50 Combat Harness complies with relevant safety standards, emphasizing the manufacturer's commitment to meeting or exceeding industry requirements. This compliance adds an extra layer of assurance regarding the harness's reliability and safety.